National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation NHIDCL na National Highway 202 Imphal Ukhrul Rota houjik Lambi shemliba se mathang chahigi May Phaobagi Manungda loisinaba Tangkhul Naga Long na NHIDCL gi official singda Akanba Wapham Thamlakhre NHIDCL na piriba matam asi Phaobagi Manungda loisinaba hotnaragani haibagi thajaba pikhre gasi ADC Ukhrul NHIDCL amadi TNL gi luchingba kayana Imphal Ukhrul Lambi gi yaingang pokpidagi hauraga houjik Lambi shemliba mafam sing asigi phibam yengshinnaba khongchad ama chatki khongchad aduda TNL gi president Sort Bashum ADC Ukhrul Mahairel amadi NHIDCL gi general manager PMU Ajay Kumar Rajatu Saruyaki Lambi gi phibam yengsiluraba matung Wunghon Village Authority gi office ta mifam amasu pangthoktuna lambi asi semba loisinaba gi matangda wari sanaki ADC Ukhrul amadi NHIDCL gi general manager yauna pangthokkiba mifam adu loiraba matungda pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Tangkhul Naga Long TNL gi president Sort Basum hai National Highway 202 Imphal Ukhrul Lambi semba gi thabak houjik chathari adubu lambi asi loisinaba gi dama thakiba matam adugi manungda loisinba ngamdana leibadagi lambi asida chathok chasin tawbuda khudongchadaba kaya mayongnari awaba asi NHIDCL gi official singa puna khangminana ba amadi Karamba matamda loisinba yagadagi haibagi matangda kubna khanaki sanglaba chahi ahum ramasi awaba khangduna laklaba so ngasi fawba lambi asi loisindana leire hiramasida NHIDCL gi official singa wari sanaraba matungda mathang chahi lisingani kunmanga gi May Phaobagi Manungda lambi semba loisinba amade matam asi Phaobagi Manungda award palairaba so chahi adugi Juntha Phaobagi Manungda loisinaba wafam Thamkhre NHIDCL gi general manager na so Wapham asi yabaga loinana matam asi Phaobagi Manungda loisingani haibagi thajaba pire haiki.
It has been on for the last 3 years and with absolutely no sign of completion. Forget about completion. They have not even done up to 50%, right? Now, of course, after talking to them, we have been able to extract assurance that they would be able to complete the remaining part of the work in total by May 2025. All right? So we are, telling them that they should adhere to the commitment that they have given, that beyond May, even if for any, unforeseen reason, that they have to take extra time. It will be just a month, which means, they should complete by June 2025. All right? So that is the whole thing. We have been so concerned about this deplorable condition of the road. That is how we have called you also, so that you would, help us.
NHIDCL gi general manager PMU Ajay Kumar Rajat hai lambi asi kumjali singani kundagi NHIDCL na sembagi thabak haurakibani adubu thabak asi thengthakibagi maram kayagi manungda COVID-19 laichat lakiba forest clearance amadi land requisition gi problem laibana haujichu mafam anida chayanari masida natana village headman adugi marakta boundary dispute ki chayana basu laire adubo khudongchadaba kaya lairabasu haidiba matam mathang chahi lisingani kunmanga gi May Phaobagi Manungda warhauriba lambi gi saru sing semba loisinaba angamba thakta honagani hiramasigi matangda NHIDCL gi technical director laktuna Imphal da mifam amasu pangthokre piriba matam asi Phaobagi Manungda loisinaba wafam so thamlamkiba laikre NHIDCL na Ukhrul district ke Manungda tungan balambi sing semba gi thabak su paikhalle haina so mahana makata na phongdokhi
NHIDCL has given very importance to the Ukhrul district. Except barring this, we are doing well, and I am assuring the public of Ukhrul that if all this road construction will be completed in the end of the 26th December, people will have a good connectivity with the Nagaland, people have a good connectivity with the Senapati, then Ukhrul to Imphal. This obviously this road is a gateway for the Ukhrul, and here we are missing something. We'll do it. Our this the public concern has been already reached to Delhi, and they are serious about it, and will take sufficient action to get it done.